Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the table command. So to open the table command, just I in the command box I will type here TB. TB is the shortcut for table. See on the top table comes. Just press enter. Now see this kind of window will open up. Right. So here you can see you have a total. You can just insert table by two methods. First one is a specific insertion point, and second one is specific window. So we will first see with the specific insertion point. So you can see just when you come to below, you can see you have a setting for columns and row. From here you can just define your number of columns and width for each column, right? And from here you can see here is a data for your row. So you can just select your row and you can just fix your row height from here, right? And see here, this some more uh, points are here. So you can see the first row sales style. So you can see here first row is showing as a title. You can just change according to you. If you just wanted to be first row to be header, then first row is header. If you wanted to second row to be of data, then second row will be data, and rest all rows cells will be data. If you just wanted to change, you can just change whatever you just needed, right? So as of now, let me keep in basically this manner, right? So once you're done with this setting, just press on OK. So you can see you can just uh, insert the table with the help of your cross arrow. See, just press and you can basically just insert. Right. Now this one is your title, and second one is your basically header, and rest of your will be your data. So one, two, and rest eight row for your data. Right. That's how it will works. Now you can see here is a modifying tools are open. This panel see on the top. So basically, this is for text. This panel is for text command, right? So you can just type here anything. TITLE. Let me type title only, and you can just increase, decrease the weight and basic tools which we have seen in the text command. We just you similar to that, right? And from here you can see you can just again here from if you just click on this arrow, see this arrow, you see, right? If you just wanted to click on this arrow, you can just increase the column height from basically column width from here also. And if you select this drop down, then you can just increase the row width, row height basically from here, right? You can just do it from here. And if you just wanted to change individual width, you can just do that also, just by gripping these points. See, grip points are available here. You can just increase or decrease the column width later from here, right? And if you just wanted to add more number of columns, row basically, right? You can just add. You just need to click here, add above or add below. Basically, this is for row, and this one is for column, right? Left or right. You can just add left or right column. You can just add more number of rows from here, right? Now, let me show you more thing from here. If you just wanted to be this number of column to be merged, you can just merge it, right? Let me show you. If you just select in this way, and just see this one is here is a drop down. Just click on this drop down, and you can just completely merge. If you just wanted to be row to be merged, then each row will be merged. If you just wanted to be column to be merged, then each column which will merge separately. So you can just click here and do for this thing, and you can just again unmerge from here, and you can just do more thing from here. See, yeah, see this one, cell locking. You can once you just put the data in the this rows or column, then you can just lock your content from here. Then you can format lock, content lock, anything you just can lock, so that no further any change will be made. You can just made here for the, if you just wanted to made any changes, then you need to again unlock from here just by still locking, right? So let me show you one more thing here. If you just select some rows, and you can see a data format, so you can just put this kind of format in for particular selected columns. I will say, or for particular selected basically the cells. Right? You can just put percentage or whatever date, currency, and let me select this percentage. Right, I just entered here percentage. If you just type here anything, right, it will come will in percentage form, right? So that's this thing you can do here. So guys, now let me show you next one. Uh, See, once you select this specific window, then you don't have freedom to choose column width and data row. So for that, first let me select this one. Okay. So once you just select this option, then you can just drag your this once drag your cross arrow, then if you drag your cross arrow toward the right, then you can just increase your column width, and if you just drag it at the bottom, then basically you can increase the number of rows. In this way, basically you can add the this row, right?